This is a 4-inch diameter rocket that's designed to hit Mach 3 and cook a piece of meat in the process. Here's the plan. We take a thin slice of meat, like this little salami here, and we design the nose tip out of something thermally conductive like copper. I love salami. As the rocket speeds up, the aerothermal heating on the tip will transfer all of that heat into the meat below, and the meat below will be held against the tip with these spikes. I made this part myself, but it doesn't always make sense to make every part for your projects, which is why today's project is sponsored by PCBWay. They machined this copper tip, which wouldn't have been possible on the manual lathe like I have. The outside and inside are rounded off, and the 1mm or so thickness of most of the part would make this a very challenging piece to work hold. The tip is seated on a small lip on the nose cone, and we'll use a screw down through the center to hold it in place during flight. Current simulations tell us that this is probably going to reach a couple hundred degrees Fahrenheit, which is a little sporty for cooking meat. I may have rounded the tip off a little too much. A sharper tip will cook it hotter, a blunt tip like this is going to reduce the heating, but it lets us cook more meat. Anyway, there's still a little more work to do, so follow along for more, and thanks again to PCBWay for sponsoring this.